Hello, saludos, everyone. So good to be able to be with you in this way. I miss so many of you, and I'm sending so much love and care. I do invite myself and you to take a breath, just one breath together. Thank you. And I'd like to just start by sharing how this award has impacted my work in contemplative education and activism. I really feel like it has helped me be accountable, to really show up to what is happening, the truth of what's happening in the classroom, to students, to faculty, to the institution, to really be present and cultivate a sense of being present to all of that. I think of also the cultivation of compassion and the capacity to bear witness has been present in my work and leadership and teaching, to see what's happening, to not turn away, not look away, even when that is uncomfortable and even when that's painful. And this opportunity has also helped me to take action in the ways that best serve, whether it's the individual, whether it's the collective, but really to lead from a place of practice, to serve from a place of practice, that this practices nourishes everything that I do, everything that we do. Some thoughts that I'd like to maybe throw out there for all of you to sit with is, in terms of the future of contemplative education, really deepening our inquiry into power, how we redistribute power, how we resource our inner power, and how we resource the collective. There are so many of us in this time who want transformation, and to really be able to sustain that, we really need to understand how we continue to resource our power, in the deep sense, the power that connects all of us and that really recognizes the injustice that's present in the world. And I also think about the need to go back to the basics, to planting seeds. And what I mean by that is really building in rituals, practices that honor the earth, that honor all the ancestors, that honor all the ways in which we are connected, that we cannot do this alone, and that what I do impacts you, what you do impacts me, and that all our actions, no matter how small, really make a difference. And we want to be really intentional about what those actions are. We really want to plant the seeds. And finally, I would love to just warmly say hello to you, Arthur. Saludos. Un saludo especial para ti, de todo corazón. Your generous and innovative spirit has nourished so many of us. And I thank you deeply for all the gifts that you have shared, for all the ways in which you have led and visioned these important practices that have changed so many of us and so many others that we might never know. Thank you, and may you always know how deeply you have touched our lives. Thank you, everyone, and take good care.